Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that almost everyone will experience at some point, gray hair. And more importantly, we'll break down the difference between Mayraki anti-gray treatment and your usual traditional hair dyes. If you've ever asked, which one is better for me? Stay tuned, let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Traditional hair dyes work by coating the hair with artificial color or using harsh chemicals to change the color from the inside out. Most of them use ingredients like ammonia, hydrogen peroxide, and paraphenylenediamine, PPD, all of which can weaken your hair over time and irritate your scalp. Sure, they give instant coverage, but the downside is that they only mask the gray, and they don't actually solve the root cause. Now here's where Mayraki Anti-Gray stands out. Instead of just covering the gray, Mayraki targets the actual cause of graying, which is loss of melanin in the hair. Melanin is the pigment responsible for your natural hair color, and as we age or go through stress, our body produces less of it. The Mayraki Anti-Gray treatment contains natural peptides and botanical ingredients that stimulate melanin production at the root, helping your hair regain its natural color over time, without any harsh chemicals, artificial colorants, or synthetic fragrance. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and safe for all hair types. So what does this mean in the long run? With traditional dyes, you'll need constant touch-ups, usually every 4 to 6 weeks, because the roots keep growing out gray. But with Mayraki, the goal is gradual, long-term reversal of gray hair. Think of it as a treatment, not just a temporary fix. It's a more natural approach, ideal for people who want to slow down graying, not just hide it. So to wrap it up, traditional dyes is equal to quick fix but temporary and chemical heavy. Mayraki Anti-Gray provides natural, long-term solution that treats the root cause. If you're someone who wants a healthier, safer, and more sustainable way to deal with gray hair, Mayraki might just be the perfect choice. Have you tried either of these options? Let us know your experience in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.